Today, I want to talk about suffixes, letters we add at the end of a word to give it a new meaning. Let's learn how to use the suffix less to increase our English vocabulary. The suffix less means without. Sugarless gum is gum without sugar. I always chew sugarless gum. Too much sugar can give you cavities. The suffix less can also mean not doing or not affected by. Someone who is selfless is not affected by their own desires, only the desire to help others. They think more about the needs of others than their own. Tina is a very selfless person. She is always helping the community. Tina thinks about the needs of other people. Can you guess what bottomless means? Bottomless means very deep, seeming to have no bottom or limit. This word is often used with drink orders at restaurants to mean all you can drink. Your glass has no bottom, so it's never full. You can get as many refills as you like. All you can drink. I would like a double cheeseburger combo with a bottomless Pepsi, please. More adjectives with the suffix less. Careless. Not giving enough attention and thought to what you are doing, so that you make mistakes. Andrew left some important information out of his report. That was careless. Cordless, of a phone or an electrical tool, not connected to its power supply by wire. I bought my dad a cordless drill for Father's Day last year. He really likes it. Effortless, needing little or no effort, so that it seems easy. Reggie has been playing the piano since he was 4 years old. He makes it look effortless. Fearless, not afraid, in a way that people admire. Lewis will start conversations with anyone. He's absolutely fearless. I wish I was so brave. Harmless, unable or unlikely to cause damage or harm. The bacteria that they found in the water is harmless to humans, so it's okay to drink. Painless, causing you no pain. I was only in the hospital for 2 hours. The whole procedure was painless. Worthless, having no practical or financial value. I found some of my old comic books in my parents' basement. I checked online, and sadly, most of them are worthless. Are there any English words with the suffix less that you have used or heard recently? Tell us in the comments. Visit the blog post that supports this video to learn more words made with the suffix less. 79 words in total, plus a free PDF download. Click the link in the description.